Hi, in the last lesson, we understood the data that we are going to use for building the robust and interactive dashboard. In this lesson, we are going to load the data and understand its relationship. So, obviously, this is one Excel sheet that we are going to use. There are two sheets that we are going to use here. One is order ID, another is order breakdown, list of order and order breakdown. So, we have to click here, then the data is there in the desktop. So this is the data model to ABC mart data that we are going to use here. So open it. So it will take a few seconds. Let us wait for the data to appear. So now navigator box has been popped up. Then these are the two sheets that we are going to use. Let us select this. So presently that we are not going to transform the data because this data is already in the structured form. Therefore, we will load directly. Okay. So let us wait for a few seconds till the data gets loaded. So it is getting loaded. And list of order and order breakdown, two sheets that we are loading on Power BI. Yes, it is now loaded. So now this will appear in the field. This is working on it. Yes. So this is the list of order, one sheet that we have brought and another sheet also order breakdown. This has appeared. So we can see to view what are the different variables are there in list of orders. One is city, country, customer name, latitude, longitude, order date, order ID, region, segment, shipping date, shipping mode, state that we have seen in the Excel sheet in the previous lessons. So let us see also breakdown. This is category, discount, order ID, uh, product name, profit, quantity, return, status, sales, and subcategory. These are there. So this is the canvas where we can build visuals, required visuals that we want to. So this is the report view. Then we can see the data view. So we can see. So here we can see the list of order has been selected. So therefore the data for the list of order is reflected here in the canvas. We are viewing the data view. Then we have also order ID, order breakdown. So to view the data content in order breakdown sheet, we can also click here and we can see the data view. So we will get all these things. So but what we are interested here, so we are interested here that what kind of relationship that it has explored. By default, what happens, Power BI, what it does, it finds a common columns. Okay, in the two sheets, what it has done. So there is a common column that is found by Power BI, that is order, that is the order ID. If we hover over it, we can see this is there. You can also drag here. Okay, if we hover over this, what is the common column? That we have found the order ID. So what Power BI has done, it has linked the order ID from list of order and order breakdown, and it has established a type of relation. So what exactly is the relationship and how we can establish a relationship if a relationship is missing? So all these things I will discuss in the subsequent lecture. Thank you.